If you enjoy fun and simple abstract painting techniques, today I will be showing how to make art journal backgrounds with tissue paper. For this art journal background, you'll need tissue paper, any art supplies, and if you're using watercolors, I recommend taping down the edges of your paper and wetting your page. This wet on wet technique is blending multiple colors. I recommend 2 to 3, just so you have some nice contrast. When you use the tissue paper, you'll want to crumple it, pressing it down firmly, and I recommend wetting it and adding some color on top so the color really bleeds through. If this is your first time joining us, we share creative and calming practices for self-care, largely mindful art, also known as meditative art. Once dry, remove the tissue paper and tape, and enjoy this magical way of collaborating with chance. Today's abstract journal ideas are part of our 30-day art challenge. You can check out the playlist here. Please subscribe to join our growing community here on YouTube.